Hey, so weekly outlook for trades I'm looking to take starting next week. Damn, this is a nice trade. This is definitely a trade I would. So, yeah, starting off, if this comes back here, makes some kind of a lower time frame head and shoulders, comes back here, starts bouncing a bit, then starts to drop. Head and shoulders, yeah, it could happen. It could definitely happen. Uh, but let's start at the beginning. I'm gonna make this fairly quick because I want to go to the gym tomorrow morning. At for looks like I might not be able to get some very much sleep because it's almost midnight. Um, for AUD USD, if this comes to these highs, makes some kind of a divergence. Then I might look for a sell because on the higher time frame it is in a downtrend structure. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. So that's pretty much all I can say about AUD USD. Moving on, AUD CAD. We'll be waiting until price gets to these highs over there. Uh, there's gonna be some kind of breaks and retests in the meantime, I'm sure. But I'm not gonna trade unless I see a divergence. One thing I'm actually thinking about using again as an extra confirmation is the true TL indicators. I've used them in the past. These are for MT4, MT5. So it's a little bit inconvenient. I mean, I'm doing my chart analysis on TradingView, and I'm spotting divergences manually right now from the OBV. But then there would be some like arrows and lines and stuff like that. But I think I might try them out because it simplifies things for me. I know I can find divergences myself. It just simplifies things. AUD CAD ranging. AUD CHF. AUD CHF is ranging a lot, so uh, I don't have a clear zone I'm looking at. I don't know. Price. Gotta stop saying I don't know. It's all about your language. Uh, these are the two zones I'm looking for. Probably. If price breaks, or comes to retest these highs and there's a clear divergence, then I might look for something. Right now, things are very unclear. For AUDC, AUD, JPY as well. I mean, there is a head and shoulders here, but it's ranging a lot, so I don't know. Gotta stop saying I don't know. I know that that I'm not gonna take any trades if the price stays there. I might take trades here, and I might take trades here. But as I said, divergence has to be present, and some other things. CAD CHF, it's finally starting to move where I said it's going to move 2 weeks ago. And there's divergence, and yeah, so If price comes back up here a bit, well, it depends on where the. I mean, actually, I'm hoping the video will be done before that, but markets are gonna be open in half an hour. But I'm not gonna take a trade at market open because the spreads are gonna be crazy, especially on CAT CHF, which is not one of the major pairs. So who knows? Yeah, depending on where the price opens, I might take a sell from. Actually, I might even take a sell from here because 50 pips. I mean, it's not that bad. It can drop 50 pips easily. Yeah, on H4 it doesn't look bad. So I might look for that. Same thing on CAD-J. I mean, yeah, if divergence there, I mean, why not? It's a clear break and retest. So if price could come back up here a bit, mm, something like that maybe, but it's unlikely. It's unlikely. I think it's gonna drop from there. So yeah, CAD-J is more likely to bounce from there to the downside. So CHF JPY, I'm still waiting for a proper break and retest to this zone. So I'm thinking it might drop from there. We'll have to see. It's ranging a lot. There's no clear. I mean, price has bounced from here like 5 times already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm not confident that it's gonna bounce again. Probably not. I think it's gonna drop here. Euro USD. Nick Sean predicted a sell from here. He predicted on EuroCAD. Anyway, it is kind of in a weekly zone actually. I would say weekly, right? So yeah, why not? I mean, I'm waiting for a second wick here, and then if the second wick comes, and makes a divergence from here to here, from here to here, why not? Yeah, I'm not. I'm looking for a setup like that. Euro AUD is ranging. Don't know what that's doing. Let's stay off from trading that. Euro NZD. Heavy downtrend. Support didn't hold. It's in a ranging motion. Downtrend. No clear price action for me. And no clear zones for me. Probably gonna refrain from trading that, at least for now. EuroCAD, I don't know what. Gotta stop saying I don't know. I mean, but I don't know what it's doing. So it's not. It looks like it's in an uptrend for now. And we'll have to wait and see what price does. I mean, I'm not gonna take the trade right now uh, because the move has already happened for me. I think there could be a stop hunt and then a drop down, but looks to me like a pretty solid uptrend. And if price does come back here, I might even buy, depending on divergence being present or not. And if price breaks these highs and comes back to retest this zone here, I might take a buy. It looks like a steady uptrend. So what I'm gonna say, talked about Euro CHF. Um, I'll have to wait and see. It's not a clear zone actually, so will likely not take any action. Probably not. Yeah. Euro GBP is at a daily zone. Will it bounce once again? Who knows? Who knows? We'll be looking for a divergence and wicks and W's and stuff like that. And if it comes to be, I'll take a buy. Euro GBP is unclear for me. So will likely not take any action. GU also kind of at a weekly zone. So I'm waiting for a retrace back to this zone or this zone, and if there uh, we'll sell if there's a divergence, a clear divergence. Otherwise, I'm not taking any action. GPUD is in ranging motion for me. No clear price action. Will not likely take any action until price comes back here. Ranging, waiting for a pullback to this level. Then we'll talk. GBP CAD broke the weekly support resistance. I mean, didn't have any reaction, and I don't have any clear zones unless this one maybe. So right now, I'm not taking any action. GPCHF price is not any more significant. Okay, my computer went dying. Okay, hold on, I'll get the charger. Okay, back. So where was I? Not taking any action on GPCHF and not taking any action on GJ. Not in anywhere significant for me. And you, not taking any action probably. Waiting for price to get even either up here or up here. And waiting for a break and retest to this zone actually. Then we'll talk about buying. Yeah. So this is my prediction. Boom boom. NZD CAD also looking for a pullback to this level, which I think might happen, and then it's gonna go up probably because it is at a weekly zone. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for, and might buy from here if there's divergence. NZD-CHF is making a break and retest, so and it's ranging right now, so it's 50-50. I mean, it's collecting orders from both sides probably. So on Monday, I think there's gonna be a stock hunt on either side. Uh, Yeah, this is this is a setup. I mean, like catching people in and then taking them out. Uh, Not doing anything until I see something clear. Right now, I don't see anything clear. And the JPY is at a recent high zone. So, I mean, there is divergence here, but right now, looks like price is moving up. And I'm thinking it's gonna do an M here, and then might drop. So, we'll be looking into sells when price is over here, but there has to be clear divergence. Not taking a trade otherwise. Still waiting on price to come back down here on USD CAD. Right now, it looks like might be dropping because it's making a downtrend format. Also, a hidden divergence indicating a downtrend continuation. USD CHF price is nowhere near a zone of my interests, so if price decides to come back here, make a wick next to this wick, then I might buy. But it's also arranging head and shoulders. It's unclear for me. I'm not taking any trades from here right now. Price is still at daily zone on UJ, and yeah, I'm anticipating a second week here, and then it might continue up, something like that, I think. And I'm not trading gold. I saw the break and retest here, and I had a feeling it might go up, but I didn't do anything. I'm not trading gold right now or Bitcoin. Just keeping an eye out. Yeah, that's my prediction. So CAD CHF might take a sell. Euro CAD. Oh, these are the yeah. So Euro USD waiting on a second wick. Couple of good setups might happen on NGD pairs. And waiting on USD pairs to move. So yeah, no clear setup otherwise than CAD J, depending on where the price opens. So yeah, that's my outlook for the next week. I gotta go to sleep. Go. See you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.